Maria packs a suitcase, just a little candlelight. An evil has descended on a dark, cold winter night. There is no provocation, no quid pro quo affair, just one man's proclamation: what's yours is mine, so there. Ivan hugs his children, the wife that he adores. He checks his issued rifle, his country is at war. There is no hesitation, no wonder why, what for. He fights to save his country against the Russian whore.
The children watch them silently. They are too young to know. And the rain came down, shattering the buildings into pieces on the ground. And the rain came down, nothing but the memories, just pieces on the ground. Ukraine, Ukraine, in Ukraine.
Ivan loads his rifle, his neighbors by his side. Invading troops approaching, it's time to do or die. With fire and force and fury, he fights to save his land. For what is done can be replaced, damn the devil's hand. Through the smoke and broken glass, Maria finds her way. Down the street to children's school, a smoldering ashtray. Maria boards the crowded train at the station where she leaves. Her husband home and country, her children clutch her sleeves.
Freedom isn't free, no.